everyone. It's Shirley and Kelly. Hello, Kelly.
Hi, Shirls.
From Placement Partner. And as you know, we have committed to giving you weekly reviews of our V8 updated Placement Partner recruitment software. And last week, we looked at the post box and we discussed the importance of having all of your candidates come into a centralized database where you can really take advantage of all of your hard work and make sure that you don't have to do hard work all over again, because your whole team have access to the amazing candidates that are coming in that may not have been right for your particular job posting, but is right for theirs. So we had a look at that, and today we are going to move past the post box into the next part of the process, which is the exciting part, because as soon as you find those great new candidates in your post box, you can then easily decide who is going to be your top candidates or your quality candidates that you'd like to work with going a little bit further and start building those relationships, which is what it's all about.
Yeah, absolutely, Shirl. So I think this is something which we've actually been battling for a long time as Placement Partner, as a company, because I think the real truth behind the way that this software is set up, it's not designed for fast recruitment. This software is not designed for people that just want to push CVs across their desk and move candidates out the way quickly. This is really relationship building software. So the real understanding that recruiters need to have here is that you're carefully selecting your quality candidates out of that post box, and as you build a relationship with them, so at the same time you build a profile for them. And really this feature in the software is such a massive advantage to the recruiters who get that, because they understand that you need to consistently work with those quality candidates and you need to consistently record all of their data in your system as well. And as soon as you have that little mindset shift, the long-term benefits just start pouring in. It's really amazing. So, I mean, if you think about it, why would you go to all the efforts of getting to know those candidates, finding all of their information, going through all of the checks and balances for one engagement for them? It's just crazy. I mean, you want to have that long-term relationship so that you can place them 3-4 times throughout their career. I mean, from a business standpoint, that just makes sense to me. I don't know what you think.
Yeah, absolutely. I think there's a difference between being efficient and fast. Efficient doesn't always necessarily mean fast. It can mean faster. You know, you want to work through quality interactions in a faster way, which the system definitely does.
Yes.
But you don't want to lose that relationship aspect. At the end of the day, that is what recruitment is all about, is relationships, no matter if that is with your candidate or your client or with your team. So we've got to keep that element within the system. It's got to support that.
Absolutely. I just love how the system's actually hardwired to benefit people and recruiters that are focused on relationship building. I think that's very cool. So I'm just going to run us through very quickly what we've got inside this module. As we've said before, the purpose of these reviews is also to get our clients and our users a little bit comfortable with the new look and feel so that they can make a seamless transition over to this new system. So as you can see, we've got all of the same stuff. So there's nothing that's going to be earth-shatteringly different, thankfully, which will make it very easy to use. But just look at this. Look how beautiful it is. You've got these nice accordions to make it easy and comfortable for you to use on your screen. Everything's very clearly compartmentalized and clarified. And it's just going to be such a bliss to work on this new system. I'm so excited for everyone.
It's very, very pretty. I have nothing more to say. That it's pretty.
Yes, exactly. So we've got our basic information. You've still got all of your education tabs. You can still capture this information on your skills matrix, whatever it might be. And I just want to go back to that relationship building point that I made earlier and encourage our clients. Like, if you've got a really good candidate, you want to stick with them throughout their career path. And what that might mean is when you do your quarterly check-in call or whatever it is, have your placement partner screen open so that while you're having a bit of a catch-up, you can just update their information quickly as well. Hi, Shirls, how's it going? Have you done any new courses? Have you mastered any new skills? And what that means is that in the long run, when the time comes where Shirley's maybe back on the market and looking for a role, all of this information is updated and can seamlessly be pulled through to your customized CV template. So it just makes sense, and everything in Placement Partner has been created and geared towards that kind of work process.
Absolutely. So no more pen and paper. There's absolutely no need for it. Wherever you are, whenever that call comes in, open up your laptop, open up your phone, log onto the system and update it there and then.
Absolutely. It's 2020, guys. Drop the pen and paper. Forget about printing out your CVs. And then I just wanted to allude to one of the very cool features that one of our devs actually mentioned in his interview. So I'm just going to quietly point out that we do have this lovely little button, Zoom meeting. That feature is in development, and we're very excited because I think that also really, the system is moving with the times. That's a reality of where we are in this post-COVID world, and we at Placement Partner are really thinking about that and building it into the tools that our recruiters need.
Absolutely. And then of course there is the video interviews tool, which is already in our current system, and a lot of our clients have been using for pre-screening purposes during this time. I think this is where they really woke up to the fact that this is the way to do things. There's no avoiding it. So I know that there have been massive improvements made to that already great tool.
Yeah, this has just been such a nice opportunity for us as a team, as a whole organism, the Placement Partner organism, to really tighten up on all of these features. And this V8 system is just going to blow people out of the water. I'm so excited.
Cool. So what's next?
So next week, we are going to chat a little bit about our clients module. So again, we're going to go into the relationship building. And I don't think anybody would be surprised to hear me say that your client relationships are absolutely vital at this time. So that's another thing. This system is really going to help you make sure that your clients' services are absolutely impeccable. And it's a no-brainer. We've got to be doing that right now.
Absolutely. Okay, perfect. So what we learned today is that not only does the new system look amazing, but we've got this brilliant candidates module that gives us all the functionality that it did before, takes us through a very logical process, as it always has, from finding our best possible candidates to actually placing them, building that relationship, slowly yet efficiently, and making sure that the work that we are working with is 100% quality. And that's what it comes down to at the end of the day with any kind of activity. Make sure that we're doing quality activity, not quantity.
Absolutely, yeah. So we want high signal over high noise. And yeah, I'm really excited to go into more of our features as we go down the line. Just a reminder to our recruiters, please share these videos with your colleagues, because if you're running at full pace, they should be running at full pace too. So let's all stay together on this journey as we head to the new V8 system.
Awesome. So I'll see you next week when we unpack the clients.
Yeah, looking forward to it. See you next week, Shirls.
Cheers, everyone.
Bye.